Why do you need to eat tomatoes? Do you eat tomatoes? Of course, you have known that tomatoes are now eaten easily around the world. You can find tomatoes everywhere as part of fruits and vegetables. Some experts said that tomato is known as a source of power of nutrition as it contains a large number of vitamins and minerals that can support our body's health. Tomatoes have been first cultivated in Peru and then brought to Mexico. Now, tomatoes are sold everywhere. In American grocery stores, tomatoes are often picked unripe and ripened in storage with ethylene. Which one is better, unripe or ripe? Tomatoes that are ripened in storage with ethylene, plant hormone produced by many fruits and acts as the cue to begin the ripening process, tend to stay longer, but have poorer flavor than tomatoes ripened on the plant. They may be recognized by their color, which is more pink or orange than the ripe tomatoes, deep red. Based on the nutrition content, red tomatoes have more vitamin A than green tomatoes. But in this case, green tomatoes have more protein. If you eat tomatoes every day, it is beneficial in preventing cancer to 50%. Tomatoes will fight different kinds of cancer and protect your heart from heart attack. Why tomatoes are beneficial for health? Tomatoes contains various kinds of ingredients. Here are some of them. Lycopene, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. It is beneficial to fight different kinds of diseases, most of all to fight cancer. Fiber in tomatoes prevents diabetes, asthma, colon cancer, and lowers the amount of cholesterol from the body. Vitamin C and A, antioxidants which fight free radical. They fight against aging, soothe skin and hair. Potassium, vitamin B6, folate, and niacin have proven effect in lowering cholesterol level, lowering blood pressure, and works against heart disease. Vitamin K in tomatoes helps to build bone. Chromium and biotin make the body's ability to process sugar and fat, which may improve fighting diabetes and help nerve function. Riboflavin helps with energy metabolism and fights against migraine headaches. So, if you consume ripe, unripe or tomato-based food products, tomato sauce, tomato pasta, etc., all deliver many nutrients with multiple mechanisms of action to prevent you from different kinds of diseases. Thank you.